If you're using a Windows 11 computer and you have not yet set your profile photo to your account, then I'm going to show you how easy it is to do so. Now on your Windows computer, just right click on the taskbar here where you have the Windows icon and select settings. Now once you're there, you want to go ahead and click on accounts on the left side. Then here under account settings, select your info, and here you'll have two options. Here you can take a photo and this will open up the camera and this will take like a selfie of yourself, or you can choose a file. Now for this example, I'm going to simply select a file. So let me click browse files here, and this will take you to your file explorer where you can choose wherever you have your photos. Now I'm going to select something from my downloads. Let me go ahead and find something, and here's a photo. I'm going to select this, then I'm going to choose picture, and as you can see here that my photo is now changed. And this is how easy it is that you can go ahead and change the profile photo on your Windows 11 computer. Now once you're done guys, all you have to do is just simply close out, and if you go ahead and click the Windows icon here, now you can see here at the bottom that I have a profile photo assigned. Now guys, I really hope that you found some value here within this video, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and feel free to let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And if there are any additional tutorials that you'd like to see that you have not yet found on this channel, let me know in the comments as well, and I'll be happy to make those for you. Now guys, if you're seeing the channel for the first time, I'm Andrew and welcome to Drew Tutorial, and feel free to join the community by simply hitting the subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when I release another video just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.